Traditional marketing used to cast a wide net, but account-based marketing, or ABM, flips that strategy on its head. Instead of talking to everyone, ABM focuses your time and resources on the right people, the high-value accounts that can make the biggest impact on your business. With ABM, you're not just marketing. You're creating personalized experiences for your most important prospects. Each campaign is designed to speak directly to a specific company's needs, challenges, and goals, making every interaction more relevant, more human, and far more effective. In manufacturing, ABM is more than a marketing tactic. It's a strategic partnership between sales and marketing. Both teams work together to identify high-value targets, craft tailored content, and nurture those relationships until they turn into long-term business wins. Here's what makes ABM so powerful: identifying high-value accounts. You focus only on the companies that have the greatest potential for growth. Personalized campaigns. Every message and piece of content is designed to solve that account's unique problems. Sales and marketing alignment. Both teams stay perfectly in sync, guiding the customer through a seamless journey. Precise measurement. You track engagement, revenue impact, and ROI with accuracy that traditional marketing can't match. So what does this mean for your manufacturing business? When you implement ABM, you're setting yourself up for higher ROI because every dollar goes toward the accounts that truly matter. Shorter sales cycles, personalized messaging helps key decision makers move faster. Improved customer experience. Tailored interactions create stronger relationships and more loyal clients. Better internal alignment. Your sales and marketing teams finally work together as one. At WSI, we help manufacturers put ABM into action the right way. We start by identifying and prioritizing your most valuable accounts using real data and insights. Then, we build a customized strategy for each one, complete with targeted messaging, content, and engagement tactics. From there, we launch integrated campaigns across multiple channels, making sure every touchpoint feels consistent and personal. We also make sure your sales team has everything they need, from content and talking points to automation tools, to keep the conversation going and the relationship growing. And we don't stop once the campaign goes live. We continuously monitor performance, optimize results, and refine your strategy so you keep improving over time. The truth is, manufacturing companies face unique challenges when it comes to marketing. That's why you need a partner who not only understands digital marketing, but also understands manufacturing. At WSI, our expertise in both areas allows us to execute ABM strategies that are targeted, efficient, and proven to drive meaningful business results. If you're ready to take your B2B marketing to the next level, it's time to make the shift to account-based marketing with WSI. You'll build stronger connections, shorten sales cycles, and see measurable growth, all while aligning your sales and marketing teams like never before. Contact us today.